And over at the U.S. Army Strength and Action stage, we have a participant ready to challenge the record of the day for males, 102 push-ups. Let's see if he can do it. If I have any other challenges, come on over to our Strength and Body stage and see if you have what it takes to challenge the records of the day. If he can break it, we will be giving him a prize. That prize will include a U.S. Army Strong t-shirt. Let's see if we can do it. We are doing full push-ups here. You have to go all the way down and come all the way back up. In order for your push-ups to be counted, you have to touch the blue button each time for your push-up to count. So if you have what it takes to break the record of the day, come on over to our Strength and Body stage and see how many push-ups you can do. If you're feeling strong today, then put your strength to action right here in our Strength and Body stage within the U.S. Army Strength and Action Zone. We have a few participants on stage right now. Come on over and see if they have what it takes to challenge the record of the day. We have a participant at 50 right now, still going strong. Let's see if he has what it takes to break the record of the day. Come on over and cheer him on and see if he can do it.
You gonna try it?
At 50 push-ups right now, let's see how much more he has. At 55, 50, 60 push-ups right now and counting. I've just been informed we have a new record of 116. Let's see if you have what it takes to break it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 3 participants on stage right now that are knocking out the push-ups. We have a contestant at 85.
Yo no lo haría, no estaría tan loco.
Let's see how many they can knock out. Come on over and cheer them on. If you feel like you can challenge the record of the day, then come on over and give it a shot. Stopping at 90 and stopping at 60. Ladies and gentlemen, if you feel like you can break the record of the day, come on over and put your strength to test over here on our Strength and Body stage within the U.S. Army Strength and Action Zone. We're challenging all males and females. If you feel like you have the strength, then come on up and see if you have what it takes. All you have to do is register first. Registration is also free. We have a registration tent on each side of the U.S. Army Strength and Action Zone. All you have to be 16 years of age or older.